Roasted air fryer sweet potato recipe. Discover the taste fusion of health and flavor with our air fryer roasted sweet potato recipe. Explore the advantages of this cutting-edge culinary tool. Our recipe calls for simple ingredients such as large sweet potatoes, olive oil, and a blend of seasonings. Preparation begins with preheating the air fryer and cubing the sweet potatoes. Next, season the potatoes thoroughly with olive oil and the spices. Place them in the air fryer, ensuring a single layer for even cooking. Cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through until they're crispy and golden brown. Let them cool a bit before relishing. This air-fried recipe assures a healthier and lighter version of the traditional roast, using less oil but keeping the crispiness intact. This versatile dish allows for experimentation with different seasonings for taste preferences. Oiled potatoes and shaking the basket prevent any sticking. Leftovers can be refrigerated and reheated in the air fryer. Pair with your preferred dipping sauce for an exciting flavor experience. In conclusion, the roasted sweet potato and the air fryer make a perfect culinary blend for a delectable, healthful mealtime experience. Enjoy the taste, texture, and benefits in every bite.